Hey there, it's Chris again, and I do layman tech reviews on gadgets, especially cameras and its accessories, or anything that makes my life easier as a parent of 3 young kids. For today, it's all about unboxing. I have a problem, and that problem is gear acquiring syndrome, or GAS for short. I decided to do a video today to do a little bit of unboxing on a recent haul that I made online. I went online, had an itch to scratch. There was some sales going on, and decided to get some really unnecessary stuff. And here they are. 4 boxes to open. Let's get to it now. Right, let's do the first one. What do I have here? Take my trusty blade and let's start opening. Aha! This is my new flosser, water flosser by Xiaomi. Okay, probably do a review on that next time. What do we have here? Dun, 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 dun. This got delivered within a day. Can't believe it. And it is ta-da! A new Kindle Paperwhite 2021 version. Now with adjustable warm light and a 6.8-inch screen compared to the old Kindle Paperwhite, which was only at 6-inch. But I read the review that this is slightly physically bigger than the basic Kindle. Review next week. This haul came with a nice little case, screen protector, some warranty information, and free ebooks, 300 ebooks to be exact. Let's see what kind of books they have. And a pouch. Very nice haul indeed. Okay, put that aside. What about this? What's inside here? Dum, da-dum, da-dum. Okay. Not very good at opening packages. Rip it open, and another Xiaomi product? Electric screwdriver. Xiaomi, I love their products. Cheap and good. Review in the next few videos. And lastly, the big one. What the heck is this? This is actually from a company called Dearmar. I think it's a subsidiary or a company that Xiaomi collaborates with to create household cleaning products. What I have here is probably not something electrical. It's not electrical, but it's probably something very... Well, I use word probably because I've not seen this in person before. I've only seen it in pictures. So this is a broom set apparently. So it has a mop, a broom set, and a window cleaner. Sorry, wrong. Window cleaner, broom set, and a mop. Pretty handy mop. Broom, interesting. Window washer, interesting. Mop foam, I suppose. This is the handle, an extension rod, the mop handle. Gosh. Man. More handle. More extension rods. Alright, let's assemble this.